very rich. Tiha poche. Ta machine ke ngato chome par ke doa. Chome par ite khar janda re. Pena lo yo na. Lo par na. Ngato yigi lo thu doa. Lo yo na. Ene doa yama khomba jamne rigim doa. Light go doa khawai sa. Oh, ti machine ki tanda di chlo ke lo si gorwa. 근데 나 공차 송아 단다 오세요. 디니 로 리도 내 가상이 들어간 것이 통구도 없어. 제가 디 상마가 나 공차 송아 나도 통고 말어 와. 제대로 로 보고도 와. 다디 칠로기 로로 와. This is external light which is important, but what is even more important is Kalenjawa. These are external lights which is important, but what is even more important is your inner light. Inner light. Inner light is what? Light of wisdom. Just as this lamp, this light removes the external darkness, similarly if you have inner knowledge, inner wisdom, you can remove the darkness of ignorance, darkness of lack of knowledge. Then your life will be perfect, happy, prosperous and good. This is just symbolic. This is symbolic. That's the meaning. This one. Here's one. Lamp symbolizes what?
It's yours.
Huh? Lamp symbolizes what?
Law.
Oh, this symbolizes what? Wisdom.
Oh, yeah.
Wisdom. Knowledge. Dua. So it is education, it is knowledge, it is wisdom which removes your ignorance, inner darkness, which is ignorance, which is lack of knowledge, which is illiteracy. So therefore, what is even more important than the external light is your inner light, knowledge, education, semsangbo, good mind. Harmonious development of head and heart. Head means yunde gore, yunde logjong yapu gore. Logjong yapu yona yang semba sangbo mena pendo yomar he. Di nyamdu kechesho de semba sangbo gore. Nika nyamdu do gore. Rawa chiu yorwa chiu bird. Chiu namkali pildu shokwa chiki pildu kudoe. Shokwa nika pildu kudoa. Oh, di nangshire. Shokwa nika pildu kudoa. Di nangshire ngadoki chochikla yunde knowledge, education, chonivala, semsango, niga pilgor. How say? Tiwa, Tadi ngadu papa ke takwa pagitang chi khadarwa. Khadar degi chitang de sunshi servo dan jangku ngombo dameda dua. Ina maangcha ngadu karbo phigudwa. Karbo phigde kharesana karbo degi tangwa. The white color symbolizes purity of heart. Rwa khada ngadu pa mishandal phibe kabla ani ngasem tangma is. Rwa ngithega se di hypocrisy chen phigme sem tangma changja gani charam phiguyos. Gabe ngani phiguyos. This one. Tega na shi khada te se ringbo yona. Rainbow the Kharchangarsana long lasting friendship. Pure heart and long lasting. It symbolizes purity of heart and genuine friendship, long lasting friendship. This is something that pure. Pure Saja Mangola Medo Shida Yomare Medo Meva Insa di Luxu de Tare. Luxu de Kande Tare Sena di Luxu di Petasa di Jagal Tare. Jagar Nalo Lina Tinsa Shoal Pure doa, Oteana di. Chata Professor Chango Chen, Jagar Gi Luxu, Shoal Pure di Pete, any Jupcha di Janan Sukium, Rwa, Janal Pete, any di Chitangi Dodan di Jagal Pete. This also symbolizes unity. Rwa Jana de Jagar, Niga Luxu change, any Pejodan, Pejodan, the Pay Agodoa. Yinaya. Tangechi love good in the chance of the repeat chair. Kada ring ne kayu, Karka Zawa Gata, Tropomane kayo.
Tropomane kayo.
Tamsi sanwa gata.
Tamsi sanwa gata.
Re chita khata ringo de chunde yorwa inaya. Khata ringe kayo karka sanwa gata means it is not really the length of the khata that matters, but it is the purity, the cleanliness that matters. Khata ringe kayo karka sanwa gata. Tropomane kayo. It's not necessary that you have many friends. Tamsi sanwa gata. But it's important that you have few friends with whom you have very good bond and friends that you can really trust. Good one. Oh, dear. Oh, yeah.
거기 지나는 하다 피야 나 근데 근데 이 sender라 기쁘게 되게 아버님 this ya kalo la ba ya kalo you can offering together sometimes kids kaje de lose to the this shows disrespect how bubble you're not open to the middle open member those children you're open right of the 거기 지나대
계시가 됐네.
대신에
계시라 두잖아.
네, perfect. 당구 다시 텔레체 제일 이슬라 주는 거 다시 이게 계시라 두시요가 두다 계시라 두시요 말 계시라를 그냥 offer 지금 계시라 주시 수나를 기쁘다 friendship 좀 좋아한다 right 지금 아니 그치나 누구지 야 지금 되냐지
됐을까?
Okay, one more thing. Kada sama someone give you something, right? Thank you, Laura. Thank you, Tujisilane dure tujisilane ara tujisilane to pakalon shu tujisilane shu pakalon isla okay that one more thing radile and mistake picking speak together right ta minta ba sama look everybody let's see right gidila tu na let's see mare when you respect someone kangban you ruche next time. Oh, yeah. Raise your hand. Offer. Whatever. Yeah, kasi la kamsa shune. Kasi le kamsa.
계시라 맛이 정말라. 다 계시라 정말 대 sama 고쇼
Katrina digre.
마지막이라 돌로 마오가 세워 가지고 가요.
야, 너 찍이었다. 이분이
산지 좀 된데 휴가 가라. 디 the tuglo the color sum the tamaro sena maroon the orange the the blue do ade this sum the turn the yabuti mare at that time these were treated as lackluster colors rwa this we should go much color the thawatsu ge khyen go kharasena chakwa panye chit to remove attachment rwa you got my point in those days these three colors were treated as not very good colors so monks wear it so that they are able to reduce attachment but these days they are in the whole chakwa in a tika la jumse the chakwa panye chit kama kinde ta go ta chakwa ta thage dia chakwa panye chit ta yone yang do di mongu che go do ju che job so do se ini pesha da kumu do zena do injire kumu do so hakor do ta social do pesha mongu te go do oh do so pesha sam sip si go de that's
양자 좋아지.
집에
니만 나 좋아지.
야 그게 나 땅에 두나
이제 그 인디고 렌치 그거 보면 살 거다. 망사.
간다 계속으로
세들라.
네
It
It could be any question. It doesn't have to be about like, this is something we talked about today. Karina did whatever you.
네네
ah de
이거 망사야.
When you went to Lopta, did you travel through a lot of places just to get there? Because my parents always say we went through jungles, through mountains just to get to school barefoot.
럭전 제
먼저 다 내 qabla de ran ro mare usa jagar nala re saje chenda mangol dile yusare it's really you could ask very good question you know in some places in India very small kids you know I mean not too small but about your age when they go to school there is no proper road you know you have to cross big rivers and to cross that river they have this almost like a rope you know not proper it's not a bridge you know so they have to hang on to it and go very risky and dangerous dhanda yore still then someday charang ke lobda dudi nangmi chu de che lobda tharing go che you have to walk 10 kilometers every day dhanda yore still many places in India yore ina ngadu kabla da tende kange da thema so ngadu lobda round digi yore tharing go ni go mare thamada khaga thamada tharing go che pepe lobda suddi yore ngadu desa lobda round digi yore so tende ngadu da kange thema so ina jagal nala tende magu yore da damul lobo chenda la tende do Africa da do e kali khago do o tende yore ti chara chwa ya utam
저는 진짜 महात्मा गांधी की लॉस महात्मा गांधी महात्मा गांधी शुक्र
What if they fall off the road?
주어 이베 second 주어 다 주어 매나 and this is last
Last question.
아주 유배사 집어지 연애 땅난다. 또 그거 용 왔다 이런 소리야.
주어 매나
지금 매매?
매봐 야 됐어
된대나.
됐어
수요대.
됐어
회사?
됐어 매매 아니
Gesila, how old were you when you decided to become a monk?
I don't
이제
know,
더
I
계셨지,
mean, I
드링기지.
don't know maybe 12 or something
Around 12? Anybody here around 12 years old? Raise your hand. So
oh.
around your age, Tanda, imagine going. Listen, imagine right now at your age, people who raise their hand, you leave mommy and daddy behind, you leave house behind, you leave your pets, you leave your bed, you leave your bedroom, your phone, everything, and you make up your mind to become a monk and study.
Leave the phone?
Yes, you have to leave everything. You have to shave your head. Kishinan, didn't you hear? You have to shave your head. You see the taje that Geshe-la wears? If you were listening carefully, he said the reason why they wear those three colors is because in Buddha's time, those are the least fashionable. Those are the colors that nobody wanted to wear. So the monks decided, those are the ones nobody wants to wear? Perfect. We will wear it. Right? Because monks have to live a simple life. They cut their hair so they don't have to worry about it. They don't have to worry about their tuglo. Right? So imagine at your age, you decide in your mind, Tanga Dichi. That's what Geshe-la did. But Geshe-la did it. Look what he did. And then he made it at the top of his monk education. He did education in regular, secular, like you guys. He's going to school like you guys. Right? La.
Monk? Why do monks have to shave their hair?
Why do monks have to shave their hair, sir?
I told already.
Yeah.
To reduce attachment.
To reduce attachment. Did you hear? What attachment means? So that attachment means you don't, nothing you like. You can't have things you want. You can't have things you like. Right now, when you wake up, you think, oh, I know how monks
Never gonna shave my hair. Did they ever cut your hair again?
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Tissue. To secure you. Good singer.
Just for picture.
Can you everybody see the camera?
Oh, you can wear it if you want.
다시 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 다시